Bird Nests, Winter, by S.R. Lee. A neighborhood of nests, similar in size, placed closer than expected. Birds' nests, not squirrels' twig collections. When leaves were green, nests had privacy, from human eyes at least, and baby chirpings were subdued by thick foliage. Chill days suggested winter. Fledglings grown had long departed these nesting shelters. Leaves dropped, revealed the abandonment. Now, nests black as tree bark against gray skies, nests which once nurtured families, become useless for practical purposes, remain beautiful nevertheless. Black shapes silhouetted in gray light's unlimited space.